Hello everyone. For this video, we're going to be showing off my fire alarm collection, showing you guys what they look like and what they do. And basically my whole collections of basically 4903s, 4901s, and 4904s, and 2099 pull stations. So here's what I have so far. Start with this one here. This one is my Simplex 4903 9238 110 candela electronic horn strobe. The strobe operates at 24 volts. This one here is my 4903 9241 15 candela, also electronic. Pretty cool. This one here is my 4903 9236 15 candela, and you know, electronic. These are my 4904s. They're both 15 candela, as you can see. This one here is my 4904 9137, which is red. And this one is the 4904 9138. This one here is my 4901 9822. This one's electronic. This one here is my 4903 92. This one's also a 9238, by the way. I was gonna mention. As you can see right here, it's just that they're different looking. This one does not have the Simplex logo, and this one and that one right here does. I copied some of the information from here and got some logos on the side, but I put my church logo there because I used to be a part of that church, but what can I say now? This one here is my 4903 9219 15 candela. This one's electromechanical. The label wore off, but I'll have to get another one just to, you know, pretty cool. By the way, the 9219 was the horn strobes that freaked me out in elementary school. This one right here is my 4901 9805 on a 4903 strobe plate. I had to put the wires there because I feel like it's easier to hook up the alarm this way. You know, that way I don't have to be using so much alligator clips while I'm testing. This one here is my Simplex 299 9756. It broke, so, but I'll show you what it looks like. So you push and pull down. You stick the key in. It's a B key. I'll have to purchase a new one because I really need more pull stations that work really well. So this one here is my Simplex ADT 3403. Just set it above here, above the strobe. As you can see, this one says ADT right here, and this one is Simplex B, which uses for this one. So you pull down, just like you do with the Simplex 2999 SM54. You reset it. Oh, oops. Put it back. Oops. That's it for the pull stations. This one here is my Simplex 4903 9102 light plate. It's a light bulb. It's not a strobe. This one doesn't really work that well anymore. I'll have to get another one if they'll sell them on eBay soon. This one here is my Simplex 4903 9170. This one's 30 Candela by the Blue Circle. This one's a speaker strobe. The speaker doesn't really work that well because I accidentally put batteries on the speaker. It operates at 24 VDC. The strobe really works really well, although it has some black spots. But my advice for you guys is to never put batteries on the speaker part, because your speaker will not work well and it could cause a lot of bad stuff to your speaker strobe. So I'm going to purchase some more fire alarms soon in the future and make an updated fire alarm collection video when I get some more speaker strobes, 2901s, vibratones, truealerts, you know, basically what I don't have in this collection. And if I do get some new alarms, I'll make videos about it or whatnot. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, comment and rate, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.